I would welcome all of you for the online satsang from Tapovan. So, over to you, Sridharji.
Hi, Namaste.
Namaste.
Okay, we can start now.
Yes, we can start.
Okay. Welcome everybody to such a wonderful program time, especially because today is starting Varahi Navaratri, special day. This is the time of solar eclipse from here. We are connected with the name of Devi, actually, Parashakti. Whenever we remember Devi, we can feel the real people, real sadhakas can feel the bliss or the happiness. We have to imagine that. Then gradually, our neurotransmitters will respond. Gradually, naturally, we will be happy. Tapas sandosham astikyam danam ishvara pujanam. In Ashtanga Yoga, we have to practice a quality that is sandosham. Sandosham means happiness. So, actually, our brain is actually the combination of the brain work is actually the combination of some neurotransmitters. So, if you practice the happiness, bliss, whatever it is, that neural network will develop gradually from the universe. Universe will respond as per that path of neuron pathway of neurotransmitters. If it is dopamine, the happiness will retain. Actually, the universe is an echo, a bimbam or reflection, vimarsham. Actually, the Shiva is Para Shiva, that is Prakasham. The universe is the Shakti, that is Vimarsham. We cannot understand Shiva, we can understand the Shakti, but by the support of Shakti, we can experience Shiva Shaikya Rupini, Shri Lalamba. So, first of all, we planned for do that because it's this time of this Varahi Navaratri, especially the solar eclipse, we have to meditate in the time. It is 10 times better compared to normal meditation. The saying in the text like that, I don't know about that, but it is correct. I am believing that like that because I am obeying my guru. So that's why we got such a wonderful opportunity. Why? Because this is not a pre-planned for Varahi Navaratri or a solar eclipse. Shibu sir knows. They requested for a week how to conduct one program, meditation program and discussion satsanga. But when we planned for Saturday, then after discussion change and come to Sunday morning. Sunday morning 5 a.m. we planned, but later as per my some kind of puja and so I changed it to 10 a.m. Later I checked the Panjangam and the Tithis. Then I shocked because this is that particular solar eclipse time here. So this is a decision of Devi actually. Am I correct, Shibu sir?
Yes.
Okay, Sudhir sir. Am I correct?
Can you hear? Yes, absolutely.
Okay. This is the decision of Devi. Whoever are participating here, definitely that is the decision of Devi. So we planned the session. First, the Khadgamala meditation. So, Khadgamala meditation. Second, Tantric Pratyahara meditation. Third, Shivoha Dhyanam. Second, Shivoha Dhyanam. Third, Tantric Pratyahara Dhyanam. First of all, we have to understand the importance of these meditations. The Khadgamala meditation is doing. Actually, this is a mini, it's a short Navavarna Puja actually. This is a power visualization, positive visualization tool. This is very effective for everything related to health, wealth, and everything. God gave this life with a particular numbers of breath. So if within a minute 15 breaths we are taking normally, human being, the tortoise are taking very less count of breath. That's why the age, the life is the lifespan is bigger compared to human being, the tortoise and this kind of. If we can take more breath within a minute, we can go from this world earlier. When we trapped in the hand of emotional imbalance or emotions, the breathing pattern will change. In a minute, it will go to 30 above in some people. This is actually in modern medicine also saying the same thing. When the breathing speed will increase, the adrenaline will generate and the cortisol from the adrenal gland and the glycogen turn to glucose, and it is eaten by cancer cells. Many problems are coming. So in both ways it is correct. Can I see somebody? So the Khadgamala is what is doing by the Khadgamala. That's why I'm talking. Can I see somebody? You can see a picture of a bird. Hello? Are you hearing?
Yeah, we can hear you.
Yes,
Yes, we can hear you.
Okay, thank you. In between, if your response is good, because I don't know. So, okay. Then what I'm talking, in a minute, how many times we are taking the breath? How we can expand the breathing time? Very slowly, if we can breathe, our lifespan will increase, the emotional imbalance will change, and it will come to balance. The heartbeat will calm down. Every system of the body will be calmed down. That is the secret of health. There are two ways for that, generating that habit of slow breathing, normal breathing, calm breathing. Two way. Example, in the one portion of the chain, you can move. Naturally, the other portion will move, or the center will move. You can take from other tail, you can also shake, the movement will come to center. Actually, in the yogic method, it is very good to do the pranayama very slowly. Always, if you can, take the breath and slowly breathe out, always. Whenever you remember, it is good. Slow breathing, abdomen breathing especially. So children are breathing from abdomen. That is the healthy breathing. It will strengthen the Muladhara Chakra. So what I am saying, this is one method. We can practice this one. But this is some kind of artificial, because we have to put effort. We have to remember that. but it is good. But the other tail is our thought process and emotion. Within a manikur, how many times your emotions are changing? Your breathing patterns are changing within an hour. You observe yourself. Surprised. We will surprise. Why? Because many times it is changing the breathing pattern. How? By the emotion. How the emotions are generating from the subconscious? It is coming from subconscious mind. The thought process is running. Maybe our conscious mind is working something or thinking something, some other things. But in subconscious mind, example, if you have a fear in this pandemic, this time, your job is in a problem. So we are confused, or we naturally in our subconscious mind will disturbed, tensed. But normal mind, we are doing everything. This is just an information, but it is not confirmed. But naturally, our subconscious mind start to feel depressed. Or the Sushant, the actor, the suicide, he did the suicide in Bollywood. He was a very good reader of Jiddu Krishnamurti, Ramana Maharshi, Osho, and daily he practiced the Ashtanga Yoga. Surprised how happened this. We have to understand everything is controlling our thought process. So thought process, if you think negative things in subconscious mind, naturally the breathing pattern, the heartbeats, everything will change. The neurotransmitters will change, everything. That's why in psychology, the cognitive behavior therapy is using everywhere, because it is changing the thinking pattern and action and everything, and emotion. So if you rearrange your thinking pattern, naturally the breath pattern will change. That is an organic way of changing. For that, actually, in Ashtanga Yoga, Yama Niyamas are teaching first. They are teaching Yama Niyamas and to restructuring your structure of the personality, mind. The basic foundations of the attitude or concepts. The real masters in Ashtanga Yoga, first they will change that basic concept about life. Then only they will support to practice other asanas and to pranayams and everything. Other
Sridharji, not able to hear.
okay, sorry.
Yeah.
How can I stop the calls?
Are you connected through Wi-Fi or network, cellular network through the phone?
Not Wi-Fi. This is Bluetooth. Only direct network.
Okay. I think you need to.
The calls are coming.
Yeah. You need to disconnect.
If I will cut problems.
Yeah. Maybe for a second.
I cannot use the aeroplane mode, no?
No. Cut off. If you have a Wi-Fi, maybe you can use that. So now let's disconnect the call.
No problem.
When it comes, you disconnect.
No problem.
Okay, we'll wait.
So what I'm taking, what I'm talking, actually the breathing pattern is moving. It is happening without our idea. That is main problem. In 24 hours, How many times you can purposefully, consciously take the slow breathing? It's very difficult.
Yeah.
But it is good. If you can do, that is good. It is a habit. Slowly later, it will support you to calm down the thoughts. It is one way. The other way is more deeper. Means it is rearranging the personality foundations of the foundation stones of the personality, which are the concept of life, and these concepts of the personalities are coming from our nurture, the outer world. We came with a blank mind, an empty mind. Everything is learned. The behaviorist says everything is learned. Ivan Pavlov, the classical conditioning of psychology, everything is learned. The others' books or others' concept about life affecting our personality. If somebody is through the five senses, cognitive learning, through the cognitive learning, our personality has been. If somebody is living with a family, a good family, looks from outside, it is good. Inside, we don't know. So they are coming with a BMW and a bigger house and everything they have. Unknowingly, we are learning this is the life. That is the meaningful life. Naturally, if I cannot do like that, even like that, naturally the basic foundation of the personality is thinking that it is worthless. My life is worthless. Because the basic foundation of the personality, one of the stone is this one, this picture. This is not teaching something. This naturally through five senses, it is generating this kind of foundations. How the foundations are working, generating means through the neurotransmitters, through the cognitive learning, through the five senses, in the brain, is creating a network. How the network is developing means by the schemas. Hello, can you hear? Hello?
Yes, G, we can hear.
Yes.
Okay. By the schemas, schema means if you look at cow, the color of the cow is a schema, shape of the cow, and the sound is a schema. And through the five informations, through the five senses, that information accumulated and creating a prototype in the neural network. Then it's after then somebody says cow, somebody says guy in Hindi. Which is guy? That is guy. Oh, that is also guy. Oh, that is also cow. Okay. Then it is developing. This network is developing little bit. The same way in India, the cow means different meanings are there. All deities inside in the cow. Correct? Am I correct?
Yes.
Hello?
Yeah.
Yes.
So,
Yes, Guruji.
Yes.
so this is like a galaxy. How the galaxy is forming, the same way inside the brain, there is a network is forming of the pathway of the network is forming through the electric circuit. Actually, these pathways are working, creating the personality. Everything is this pathway. Our concept about job, family. Maybe my concept about family is not yours. Maybe it is different. Your learning is different. Everything is cognitive neuron network. It is coming through the five senses. That's why Tantra is giving importance, that much of importance of five sensory stimulations, ringing bells and everything. Shabda Sparsha Rupa Rasagandham. How many people are watching my Parashurama Kalpa Sutra?
It's G.
Are you watching? Okay. If you're watching, that is
I'm
good.
watching.
Because, okay. Thank you. This is good for the development of the real world of meditation. What I'm saying, if you want make changes in your life, material or spiritual, changes in your life, definitely you have to alter your personality. How you can alter the personality, how you can redesign your neuron networks. This is the main, how we can rewrite the neuron networks. You can see the Abdul Kalam ji, if he came from Rameshwaram, he's a boat driver's son. Through the 5 senses, how many people he can deal with, how many people, higher level thinking people. He accumulated the frequency through the 5 senses. That's higher frequency of the life thinking. That level frequency he accumulated through the 5 senses, cognitive learning. Then naturally his neuron pathways, new neuron pathways built. Then the old neuron pathways, maybe what will be the maximum concept of him? It will be, I can be a boat driver, maximum. That is his neuron learning, cognitive learning. Am I correct?
Yeah. Yes.
So, through the 5 senses, he accumulated the knowledge, the frequency of higher level. And naturally, the energy started to flow through that way. Energy is not negative or positive. It is neutral. You have the maximum in your personality, the negative accumulated things, pathway, neuron pathways, if it is negative, definitely our thought and work and result, the reflection of the universe, this Vimarshan I said, definitely it will be negative. So, what I am saying, why I am saying the example of Sushant, the actor, this much of the people have all knowledge now. It is getting through Google, all motivation. How many, everybody knows how to think positive, act positive. They read Ramana Maharshi, Osho, Jiddu Krishnamurti, everybody. If you can look in Facebook, lots of posts in groups, you can see. Everybody's are enlightened. So, but the problem is in the real life. Real life, they cannot maintain their calm. They cannot control their heartbeats, intention, lots of problems. So what I'm saying, there is the importance of Tantra and Khargamala Stotram and Sri Vidya. Sri Vidya is dealing directly building the new neuron networks through the 5 senses by the support of Shabda Sparsha Rupa Rasagandha of the Devi, higher frequency of power. If you imagine continuously, then the neuron networks will develop positively. Then when the energy will come, naturally it will start to flow through this positive generated new.
I think he's getting a call. Just wait for it.
Then slowly the energy will go to outside and start to manifest the things. Whatever we want or naturally start to happen. First, our body system and everything will change because our breathing pattern is changing. The fear will vanish. Everybody has some unknown fear about future. Am I correct? In subconscious mind?
Yeah.
With this fear, we cannot achieve the things on that much of level. Even it is material or spiritual, whatever it is. So, because we generated till this time, we developed our personality, we working and everything is behind the fear. The fear is there. Actually, the fear is the reason we are working and everything. So, it is not correct. Through the new neuron network, the imagination of the chakras in Khadgamala Stotra, with meaning, we can imagine when you chant, your touch. When you chant mantra, the things are touching top and down, touch, sound, everything is breathe. Everything is working there. Some senses are working there. And then imagination will come, then it will work, combine and accumulated and generate a new neuron positive network. Gradually, in subconscious mind, it will start to work, to change the energy to this new neuron highway, new neuron network, it will start to run. The old path will abandon. We cannot erase that. Then, okay. Then, what I'm saying, the Khadgamala is rewriting the neuron networks actually. But one condition, how the result are different. Somebody is daily chanting, always chanting, but it is not working. Somebody's are chanting rarely, but it is working for them. Are you interested to understand that one? Hello?
Yes,
Yeah,
Ji.
very much.
Yes.
Yeah.
Very much, very much.
What is the secret behind that? The neuron networks are working and generating the pathways and working strongly. The difference of the strength of the neuron network is happening by the emotion. Example, if you have a bad habit, your boss saying, you have to come right 10 o'clock. Correct 10 o'clock, you have to come. Positively, he's saying, hello,
Yeah.
hello,
Yes.
Yeah, yeah. Here.
you have to come 10 a.m. correct clearly. One day he said, second day said, third. It may not happen. But the last day, you came immediately in front of everybody, he slapped you. Next day, you wake up 4 a.m. maybe. Correctly, you will come there. Correct time. Am I correct?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because emotion, passion or emotion, either passion or emotion, it is very important. The networks are building fastly, strongly by the support of emotion or passion. Emotions are energy forms. If you have strong negative energy, you will kill somebody. If you have small negative energy, you just slap somebody. What is the secret behind the terrorism? That is emotion. They have massive power. What is the power of wars? Negative emotion, anger. Do you know one thing? These energy is running through the collective unconscious, through the brains of the people. Continuously it is running negatively or positively, massively. Terrorism. The corona is first attacking the mind of the collective unconscious of the human being. It is connected. There is no separation in the mental world. Actually, the mental world is administrating the world. In your office, you just look, you don't have your body. You just imagine. Everything will run. Without your body, immediately we will think like that. Body is neither, but actually the mind is working. Everybody's, the neurotransmitters are working, the energies are working. Energy is transferring one brain to other brain. Then it is running the energy through the brains. Am I correct?
Yes.
So, that energy is, when the energy is directing the neurotransmitters, that is positive. When the neurotransmitters are directing the energy, that is negative. In depression, that is happening, because that's why we have to take some medicine for that, to clear the neurotransmitters. Then the thinking level we can correct slowly. That is negative. But the thinking, how to control the neurotransmitters, the energy, thought process. For that, strengthen the thought process, positive, generate the new neuron pathways, positive. Then naturally, the thinking pattern will change, because it is repeating. Positive visualization, it is repeating continuously, then it will go to subconscious mind. Subconscious mind means the writing of the neuron cells, neuron pathways positively. Then naturally the energy will flow through that neuron, new neuron networks, positive neuron network. Then the heartbeats will control naturally, because thought process, there is no emotion. It's only positive emotion.
We were able to get.
Sorry?
No, go ahead.
So, this way, if you continuously chant the Khadgamala Stotram with imagination, positive visualization, understand the meanings of that activation of the chakras and to chant, heartbeats will control, the breathing pattern will change. It will slow and calm down and positive. The positive frequency, you will be always in positive frequency, then gradually the breathing pattern will change. We will be healthy. The energy will run through the new neuron pathways. It will send to outer other brains in collective unconscious, and attract the people and attract the energy, higher frequency, and it will return back as per the wish of the person. That is the secret of manifestation. To generate that effectively, to generate that effectively, we have to add emotion. Somebody is giving that much of bhakti, devotion, dedication, that passion. The Khadgamala or the positive visualization of the mantras generate fast, deepest, effective, strong neural networks positively. That's why the Puranas are using. The Puranas are stories created by the rishis because the energy is there. We are giving the figure through the stories. But the energy, the Kali energy is there. The Sundari energy is there. We are giving the figure. The energy is real. The figures are not real. Even our figure is not correct because inside I am many person actually. My energy is real. My energy is manifesting. My energy is living here. So the energies are real. But we have to generate that much of passion, love. Then only the neural networks will be strengthened. For that, we have to love Devi. Maximum we have to love Devi because you actually loving your wife or lover. Actually, you are not loving that body, that mind, that energy. What she is giving, which level of energy she is giving. Actually, you are loving that energy, that frequency. That's some kind of the frequency may change, the problems will come in the family life. Before marriage, they are loving in some other frequency. The frequency is changed. What I'm saying, if you have add the emotion maximum, then the network will be strong. Because if you see one accident, you can experience one accident, the sound of the people crying, the blood and the picture, the situation, the visual, strong network. Within seconds, if strong network will build, even after 10 years, the same day you will be disturbed in that time, particular time, by biological clock. Then what is the reason today I'm depressed? What is the reason? Oh, today is that day, that accident. But here you are using the five senses, same cognitive learning positively and doing puja daily without emotion, nothing will work. You are doing Abhishek, doing on Shiyandra and chanting Lalila Sahasranamam, Vajjadashi, Shodashi, whatever it is, within 40 years, nothing will happen. You will be very big egoistic. I am a Srividya Sadhaka. And wearing the red clothes and I am an Acharya. This kind of way people start to teach. They are learning actually the stuffs. They are dead actually. The books are dead. It's not alive. The books are dead. It is past. All books are past. Past and future are illusion. There is no past and future. The senses are working only in present. Then my neurotransmitters, my thought process, everything is working only in present. Till my death, the senses are working only in present. There is only present. If you think about past, then only the time will enter. The Tale of Two Cities. What is that? The Tale of Two Cities. The French Revolution, there was a novel, is
Charles Dickens.
Charles Dickens. Means the hero and heroine, they are going to slaughter their head in the guillotine. Then the girl is very frightened. The man is saying, "You just be in present. In your death, you will not be. Fear always in future. In present, there is no future. There is only happiness. You stay in present. How can I stay in present?" She said. Then he said, "You look on me." The opposite side, they are doing the assassination, they killing. Then the opposite, when you come to your queue and in the head in that guillotine, when they will cut, you will just use your eyes and concentrate fully on my eyes and my face. You are in present. It will cut. Nothing. That is nothing. Stay in present, because if you stay in present, there is no time, there is no future or past. The networks start to write in brains. That is the starting level of the development of a person. Emotionally stronger. How we can be emotionally stronger means, actually the 30% research in 30% of cancer patients, the 28 people faced big traumas of stress. That stress is the reason of the cancer actually, because I said the glycogen tend to glucose all. So Khargamala meditation is actually how to do by the emotion. The day we worship, we have to start emotionally, not scientifically. Emotionally, we have to blindly, but we have to understand what is going on. That is not blind belief. I'm not saying like that. We have to be aware and we have to understand everything. What is this one? What is the science behind this? Then you can love, because after the Arthur Conan Doyle stopped writing Sherlock Holmes, even after that, many letters came to there in that street for Sherlock Holmes. Why? Because that much of people are loving on that character. So actually, we can love Devi. It is real actually. If you start loving Devi and chant Khargamala and worship, gradually you start to experience something in your energy level and material life and spiritual life. Then you can understand it is real. Then it will be caused right fastly, easy. The first level is very difficult to accept and understand and love, real love to Devi. Today one person called and asked me, these deities are actually the creation of Raja Ravi Verma. It is not real. Somebody's imagination. I said, yeah, imagination. But my question is, are you real? That is the first question you have to find out the answer. Are you real? No. You are an illusion. Because if the incident is happening after a span of seconds later, you are processing your brain and you are watching that. That is an imaginary world we are living. Example, I am talking with Vairaji, but actually Vairaji is there, but it is some later I am talking with the image of Vairagya actually in my brain. The conversation is happening inside, with the images of the people. So I am creating my illusional world, imaginary world and living. I am talking with my wife. Actually, I am not talking with the wife because that process is some bit later. I am understanding this. There is no time. That's why I am talking with the images of the people, concept, everything. We are not real. Devi is more real than we people. Because that is energy. Our energy is less. This is the world of energy. This is the world of energy. That's why which is more powerful. That is real. But the power of Bhadragali, that is real than me. My energy is very low. The power of Tripura Sundari, that is bigger than me. Power of Shiva, whatever it is. The deities are more real because they are more powerful than me. I'm not real actually. Because today you are watching me. After 10 years, entirely I will change, definitely. But the deities will be strong. They are not going to change that frequencies of the energy. Okay, whatever it is, I think you just you understood the things, the importance of Kadgamala, what the mantras, for what we have to chant. If you can, we can start to meditation. Okay, are you ready, everybody?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
The doubts later we can ask after the meditations. Okay.
Yeah.
Today is very
Sure.
important day for meditation. You just start to love your general creator, the God. Okay. Then we can chant. Imagine in between I will say this chakra is for this. Then you have to imagine that energy is coming to you. Okay. You can imagine Devi as per your way, no problem in that, but it should be the frequency is important. The frequency should keep higher. What is the frequency is generated by the figure? That is the question. See, Devi's full figure, beautiful figure. She is standing on the Pancha Prayada Manjadi Shayini, and that a wonderful figure you have to imagine and feel the love, bliss of the Devi. Om. You can chant along with me.